Well, hello everybody. We're here today to make poker chips in Affinity Photo 2. I got this sticker label sheet from Amazon. It's 7 columns by 9 rows, and I'm going to set it up so I could print these designers poker chip labels or casino chip labels to these designer chips and make them look like this. Pretty cool, huh? Well, one thing I'd like to point out is we must abide by these instructions. Margins must all be this. Label size is 1 inch. All right, let's get started. Let's go to open up Amazon. Open up Affinity Photo. Yeah, it's 8.5, 11 inches. It's transparent, that's alright. And our margins are correct. So let's create. I'm going to be using some shortcuts. I'll probably use the V, Move tool, the H, View tool, the U, which would be the ellipse tool, and probably the zoom tool, which I think I'll use right now. If I could find Z. Click it one time. Alright, cool. Let's do H. Move this over a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and get our template that I did download from the internet. There it is. Let's just drag it on. Let's go ahead and center it. It is centered. Let's go ahead and gonna toggle lock it. Alright, let's get what we're going to be making, which is a picture of me. Drag it on down. We need to center it. They're centered. Okay, U for the ellipse tool. Hold the shift key in and drag a circle. Release the mouse button. Now center this. Okay, let's hold the shift key down. Drag this down. Keep holding that shift key and drag it up. Alright, let's go over to our extended layers panel and we'll highlight that and drag it up right here. Okay, that worked. Let's rasterize it. Now we need to change the dimensions to 1 inch that they told us to do. And so if the height and the width are all 1 inch, the diameter is going to be 1 inch. There it is. Okay, we're going to have 4 separate values here. $1, $5, $25. Anyway, the bottom line is we need 4 of these. So I'm going to duplicate this 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. Let's just kind of spread them around here. Okay, let's click on that one. Let's go get our money values. Here they are. We'll just drag them on one at a time. I've tried doing them all at the same time and it doesn't work. It doesn't work right. Okay, let's go ahead and center each one of these onto a sticker. Okay, we're going to have to group each one of these separately, so I'll have to select it, right click, group. Select, right-click, group. Select, right-click, group. Select, right-click, group. All right, we're going to have 2 rows of $100. 2 of these rows are going to be $100, so we need 2 of these. So I'll duplicate it one time. We'll have 2. $5 is going to be 3 rows, so I need to duplicate this twice. Duplicate. Duplicate. 25 is 2 rows, so duplicate it once. Duplicate. 1 is 2 rows, so that's going to be duplicated once. Alright, let's select the one, drag it into the corner till it snaps in. We'll select the 25, drag that up into the corner till it snaps in. Select that one, the 100. It doesn't really matter what order they're dragged up there. Okay, that's snapped in, and the 5. Select it, drag it up here. Snapped in. Okay, now we need to select all of them. See, they're all selected. Let's go up to our alignment tool. Click on that. We're going to be aligning vertically, so let's do this spacer. Let's uncheck auto distribute. And we know it's 1/8 inch or 0.125. Enter. There it is. Okay, let's apply. Let's go ahead and group all these. Alright, we have 7 columns. Here's one of them, so we need 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's go ahead and hold the shift key in and select all of them. Go back up to our alignment tool. Click on that. We're going to be doing horizontally aligning these, so we'll click on our spacer, unclick auto, and we know it's 1/8 inch, 4.125. Okay, let's apply. Let's group these. Check this out. We're right on the money. How cool is that? Well, I must go now. Been fun. But adios, amigos.